Personal safety is very important in this world, and having the right tools can make all the difference. From compact devices designed for everyday carry to innovative gadgets, here are 10 self-defense gadgets that you should have. Number 10. GE Personal Security Door Alarm. The GE Personal Security Door Stop Alarm is a simple yet effective device designed for personal safety. This door stop alarm by GE is easy to use both at home and while traveling. When activated, it emits a powerful 120 decibel alert, providing a loud and attention-grabbing sound. This feature ensures that you can quickly seek safety and deter potential intruders. Whether you frequently travel or occasionally stay in unfamiliar places, having this doorstop alarm is a crucial addition to your security measures, offering peace of mind in various situations. Number 9. Cardsharp 2. The Cardsharp 2 by Ian Sinclair is a unique and compact tool. When stored, it occupies the same amount of space as a credit card. However, once folded into a ready-to-use form, it transforms into a knife with a 65mm cutting edge. While it may not be suitable for prolonged battles, it serves as an additional layer of security, particularly useful when traveling to less safe locations. The ultra-sharp surgical steel blade can also function as a prep knife, making it handy for tasks like tackling mirepoix in your culinary endeavors. Number 8. Gerber Impromptu Tactical Pen. The Gerber Impromptu Tactical is a versatile tool designed for various situations. It includes an integrated glass-breaking tip, providing a quick solution for extricating oneself from threatening situations. The ink cartridge is sourced from Right in the Rain, ensuring the ability to take important notes regardless of the weather conditions. The sturdy body, crafted from machine steel, enhances the tool's durability and enables it to function effectively even in melee situations. Whether you need to break glass, jot down notes in challenging weather, or navigate through unexpected confrontations, the Gerber Impromptu Tactical is a reliable companion. Number 7. Bola Wrap. The Bola Wrap is a handheld remote restraint device designed to enhance personal safety. It functions by launching an 8-foot-long bola tether towards a target, made from durable Kevlar and traveling at a speed of 513 feet per second. With an effective range of 10 to 25 feet, this device allows individuals to thwart potential attackers from approaching. Its efficacy extends to preventing criminals or troublemakers from escaping, immobilizing them on the spot. The device can be loaded with cartridges in just 3 to 8 seconds on average, and the tether is propelled using a 380 partial charge blank. Upon impact, the cord wraps around the subject 1 to 3 times, using small harpoons to securely attach itself to their clothing. Number 6. Tiger Lady. The Tiger Lady Self-Defense Claw lives up to its name, offering excellent protection while exuding a badass appearance. Its mechanism is modeled after a cat's retractable claws, and it's made of high-impact plastic, ensuring shock absorption and durability. This tool not only safeguards you from self-inflicted injuries, but also delivers maximum impact. Featuring channels designed to collect an opponent's DNA for later analysis, it eliminates the need to see their face to bring them to justice. Despite being non-lethal and weighing less than 2 ounces, these claws can cause substantial damage, providing peace of mind in threatening situations. Portable and easy to carry, the Tiger Lady requires no maintenance or recharging, ensuring it's always ready to go. Number 5. Ideal Conceal. The Ideal Conceal is an excellent choice for concealed carry, as it boasts a compact design while still packing a powerful punch. Its small size makes it perfect for discreet protection during your daily activities. What makes Ideal Conceal stand out is its ability to provide security without causing unnecessary concern for others. About the size of a wallet, it transforms from an inconspicuous device into a double-barrel 380 Derringer, ready for use in moments of danger. Conveniently stored in a pocket or purse, it is easily accessible, and its collapsible design ensures safety, preventing accidental discharge. The Ideal Conceal offers a straightforward and user-friendly experience, making it suitable for beginners without the need for extensive training. If you seek protection without drawing unwanted attention, the Ideal Conceal is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. Faststrike FS14. The Faststrike FS14 is an impressive self-defense gadget designed for quick and easy retaliation against attackers. Weighing only around 3 ounces, this portable tool allows for both long-range and close-quarter strikes. The baton doubles as a strap, making it convenient to secure to your belt loop or any preferred location. To use the tool, simply unhook the strap and you're ready to wield it as a weapon. Despite its compact size, it packs a surprising amount of force, functioning as a mini baton capable of inflicting substantial damage. Faststrike also offers a variant with a window-breaking tool on the handle, enabling you to break windows or glass effortlessly without risking harm or requiring additional specialized tools. Whether concealed underneath clothing or attached to your belt, Faststrike provides peace of mind, allowing you to handle challenging situations and deter potential attackers. Its discreet design adds an element of surprise in case you find yourself in a difficult situation. Number 3. The NIM. The NIM is a stylish ring that serves a dual purpose as a panic button, instantly triggering an alert whenever you sense danger. Activating your NIM is as simple as pressing the panic button, which promptly sends out an alert for swift action, ensuring your safety and providing complete peace of mind. The companion app enhances the experience with additional features and customizations, allowing you to manage alerts, responders, and crucial information such as GPS location. The device can be linked to 911, calling them when an alert is sent, and includes built-in safety measures to prevent accidental alerts. Its rechargeable battery lasts for 2 weeks of continuous use, and the device, including the discrete panic button, is designed to prevent accidental pushes while providing tactile feedback through vibrations. In case of an accidental alert, you can cancel it within 30 seconds. Moreover, you have the flexibility to alert emergency services, friends, family, or other NIM users nearby, offering a variety of choices for comprehensive protection. Number 2. Atomic Bear Tactical Pen. The Atomic Bear Tactical Pen lives up to the saying that the pen is mightier than the sword. With this all-in-one pen in your hands, you get more than just a writing tool. It features a glass breaker, a multi-tool, and a built-in compartment for discreetly hiding items. The impact den of the pen is made from durable tungsten carbide, providing enhanced strength. This feature allows you to defend yourself in case of an unexpected attack. The pen's inconspicuous appearance makes it an excellent choice for users who want to keep their weapons easily accessible and within reach. Number 1. Salt Pepper Spray. The Salt Pepper Spray Gun Starter Kit is a powerful combination of a handgun's accuracy and the potency of pepper spray. This unique kit provides users with their pepper spraying handgun, offering the advantage of shooting at longer distances compared to typical pepper spray canisters. Effective at distances exceeding 150 feet, the projectile's release create a substantial 5-foot cloud of pepper spray upon impact. Traveling at a speed of 320 feet per second, these projectiles have the potential to inflict real damage, enhancing their capability to deter attackers and prevent them from approaching too closely. The Salt Pepper Spray Gun Starter Kit is an effective tool for personal safety, providing a reliable means of self-defense. So, which one of these gadgets are you going to use if you are in danger? Don't forget to tell us in the comments section. Like and share the video and follow us for more such gadgets. Thank you.